Hey y'all, today we're going to be making frigo camelo, the brainrot thingy. So we are going to take 3 of these pieces and stack them on top of each other.
I stepped in water.
Dang, turn that down, girl.
I will.
And after this, you take, okay, so now you have those 3 pieces. We'll take 3 more of those. No, turn the light on, I need the light. Then you just place the 3.
This is scary.
It's more devious. Then you take this, put it in the middle, slide through. Alright, next this is gonna be for the head. Take one. The monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. Just like this. Third one, just like on the side corner here. If you're like, it doesn't look like frigo camelo, it doesn't look like frigo camelo. It will. Trust, guys, trust. I tried this a million times, yeah. And it worked. Each time. So you take this piece and you see a little hole in the middle. You'll put it there. No, my.
Don't piss me off.
Yeah, you're looking. So then you take this and you see a little hole that's left. You take 2 of these pieces.
Why is this kind of gas?
Stack them like this.
Why is it not turning on though?
You take this and then you take this. Girl, turn that down. Okay.
Well, that fly is not moving.
What fly?
Ew.
What fly? Where's the fly at? That is just. Oy, bobrito bandito. That's literally what it's giving. Oy, bobrito bandito.
What
Alright, yeah.
What is this?
Then you put it in that hole like I said. Stop.
So like, ugh. It sounds good.
Anyways, take
What is this?
3.
Ew.
2 here, 2 here,
What is this?
and then here should be another 2. But my sister decided to pour all the Legos on my head, and I guess she lost. She lost that one, but you put another one of these pieces there. So then, yeah. Now we're gonna make the finish. Take 2 of these pieces, 2 of these pieces, 2 of these pieces, and then you'll connect this small little piece
Bro, what's that just witnessed?
of this piece to make it like this. So it should become a little.
Alright,
long.
I'm actually stalling to use the bathroom, bro. I need to go shower.
And then you'll connect the bottom to one corner. I mean, it doesn't really matter where you put it. Just don't put it in the middle, but just put it in any corner, literally. Like, just don't do this, y'all. Like, you can put it in any corner up here, but don't put it in the middle. Don't do it. So, yes, the sigma, and then like this, you go ahead and take this part, and you'll make sure that it's like on the middle. So like this, y'all. You see this part in the middle of those 2 holes? That's where you want to put it.
Hide that sticky work.
What? Oy, bobrito bandito. Yeah, hold on. Okay. So where that little 2 holes are, you put this before it, and like you want to make it to where the foot is kind of like sticking out. So you want to like that. So like this. Oh, wrong way. So now I need to twist these around. why so crappy? It's like this, where you want the feet to stick out. So it should be like this. Now we're gonna make the head. This piece, the head is kind of simple, but the pieces, I don't know. This piece, oop, this piece and this piece. Take this piece, connect this piece under. Should look like this. Next, we need these two little eyeball pieces.
I can't.
And we place them on to here. That looks crazy. So, like this. This for the little mustache that he has at the bottom with the little hair. Next, we take this part and take that little hole there and connect it like this. So you want it to stick like that. And then now you have your frigo camelo. You can add any edits, but if you don't want to, you can just keep it like this. And if you make this, if you have a YouTube channel and you make this, I mean, you can make it if you don't have a YouTube channel, but if you do have a YouTube channel and you make this, can you please try and like tag me? Like, try and tag me. So yeah. Bye guys. Bye guys.